Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. It's Friday, May 6th. I hope everybody is doing well. Things are good here. My son is home from college. He's still got some work to finish up, but he is home. And my daughter is coming home this weekend too for Mother's Day. I don't know if you heard that meow, but Gus says hello. Yep. Hi. He may jump up, I'm not sure. Hopefully not. I just took him to the vet for a checkup, and he did fine, but he's a little, yeah. So let's get on with the haul. I got some good stuff this week, and I had a really good crafty week. I got a lot of things done, which was nice. So, Gus, shh, okay. I got my last order in from Impression Obsession, and you probably know that they discontinued selling their individual rubber stamps. They alerted everybody at the beginning of April that it would be the last month to order them. So I ordered at least 2 times. The first time I just ordered a few. This time I ordered a bunch more. So I wanted to come on and show you what I got. I guess they're not available anymore, but you might want to see them anyway. So I got this one that says Good Times, and I don't know why, but I always like spelling times like this, like the herb. I just think it's really cute and country. So I did use this in a project that I'm going to show for Saturday Morning Makes this week. But anyway, that's the stamp that I used, and I love the font, really, really cute. I got this angel. I thought she was adorable, and this is by Lindsay Ostrom. I seem to always like her artwork, and this is the size of it. Sorry, I haven't had a chance to stamp it out yet, but you can see it from the illustration. But I thought this would be really nice for Christmas time, so really cute angel stamp. Speaking of Christmas, I picked this one up. I've always seen this on their site. I never picked it up, so I figured, well, now or never. So that's why I got it, and that's the size of that one. This gingerbread man has the face already drawn in. I mean, you could cover it up with tape when you're stamping, or, getting the ink on your stamp if you wanted to. But, this one's not, so you could just add a face in. So I think that'll be fun. And all the cute cookie shapes. I like the stitched bow and the little tag that you can write something in or add a stamp sentiment. So I picked that one up. And then I got this one. I just thought it was really, really pretty. It's by Elisa Baker, and it's a snowman angel with little heart buttons on him. And this one looks like a little string pop loose. It's so cute. And he's got a wreath of pine branches. Hi, yes, Gus, hi. And then we have a little pine tree here with an angel snowman on the top for the tree topper. So I thought that was beautiful. And that's the size of that one. Then I picked up this from their Serendipity Stamps line. It's called jar label. So it's like a mason jar with the label. Hi, Gus. Yes, let me just pet Gus for a second, you guys. Yeah, you saying hi to everybody? He's a good boy. And it's got the cute fabric top on the top of the jar. So I thought that was beautiful. It's got the heart at the bottom. So that's a size because it's reduced in the picture. So I will definitely show you some fun projects with this. This I don't have to wait for Christmas for. And then I picked up this one. This one I've been really wanting for a while. It's called Quilted Pumpkin. And I don't do much fall crafting just because it's like when you want to do fall crafting, it's Christmas crafting time too, and I much rather do Christmas crafting, but I do love this quilted pumpkin, so I will make time to make some fall projects with this. And that's the size of that one. I can see this in all sorts of different color palettes, and yeah, the pattern's already drawn in, which is really nice. So there's that one. And then this one I ordered in a woodblock stamp. I probably should have just got a cling mount because bigger stamps like this, it's harder for me to get a good impression, even though I use a Stamp-A-Majig. But I do love this, and I thought the design would make a nice display piece in my craft room. So this one is called Baking, also by Elisa Baker. That's what it looks like. And it's got all these different baking things on it. I did stamp this one out just to see what it would look like. And it came out a little bit lighter than I would like, even though I did stamp it twice, but I didn't want to do it anymore and press my luck, because sometimes my Stamp-A-Majig will move ever so slightly and then, it's ruined. So that's what that looks like. and I think it's really cute. I'm gonna color it, so I'll show you what it looks like when I do. And even though it's stamped light, I think once you color it, it doesn't really matter. So there's that one. And then the last one I ordered was, this was a clearance stamp, and it's a little picnic basket. It didn't come with the picture or anything, so I did stamp it out. And for the one that I stamped out, I also used this, which I hauled last week. It's the Holiday Hannah collection from Stamp It Up, and I put a few of the little things inside the picnic basket. I used a watermelon, the heart, and this basket of flowers. So let me show you that. And this is the little image I made. Isn't that cute? I love this picnic basket that's using this stamp. And the way I got the flowers in there, I just did a little paper piecing. I stamped this onto that flowered paper and then just kind of cut that piece out. And I even cut out those little triangles there. So, and then I used Anna White's stamping technique. Hi, Anna, if you're watching. She has a great way to mask your stamps so they don't overlap each other, and it uses Post-it notes and a Stamp-A-Majig. So that's what I did, and that came out really, really cute, I think, with the different things in the picnic basket. So I thought I would probably add this to a card. What is it, Gus? What? What? Yeah, hi. Good boy. So that's my little sample that I want to show you. So that was it from Impression Obsession, and I think it was like if you spend $49, you get free shipping, something like that. So that's what I did. All right, so that's it for that. I got one thing at TJ Maxx. They had this pom-pom trim on clearance for $4, which is funny because I haven't seen it there before. And I go to that TJ Maxx like once a week. But anyway, maybe they found it in the back. But it's 10 yards, and I have this in white, and I love it. And the reason I like this is because the pom-poms are really close together and close to the trim. Guys, what? Oh my gosh. Sorry, you guys. I'll put a picture up of him so you know who's meowing if he doesn't jump up. So anyway, isn't that really pretty? I don't know what the original price was. Looks like $5.99 maybe. But they also had this in gray, but I don't think I'd use gray pom-pom trim that much. So that's what I got at TJ Maxx. And then I forgot to show this last week. I don't know how interested you are in this, but I got some fabric from Green Fairy Quilts. They were having a sale on I think it was like on everything when I bought that. So I bought a charm pack, and charm packs are like quilt collections. Come here, come on up so you can say hi to everyone. Come on, hop up. So charm packs are 5-inch squares of a quilt collection, and this one is called Quilt Fair by Tasha Noel, and it's from Riley Blake Fabrics. And these are all the fabrics that are in this collection. So I thought they were really pretty, and I also thought maybe I can make a table topper with this. And I've been looking at this collection for a while, and I just had to have it. I love all the colors, and it was a good time to get it. So also in that line, I got a couple yards of this fabric. And my idea is to make an apron with this. Let me turn it around the right side. You see all the cute little illustrations on there. Vintage quilts, quilt show, cotton candy, quilt fair. There's a Ferris wheel, someone displaying their prize-winning quilt. Yes, Gus. Yes, come here. Come say hi to everybody. Do you guys watch Rochelle, who is the Delightful Crafter? Hi, Rochelle, if you're watching. Her cat, Karma, is always meowing, and then she'll jump up on the table so everyone can see her, which is nice, but for some reason, Gus isn't wanting to do that. Are you being shy? Come on, hop up. Oy. All right, so that's what fabric I got. I also picked up this packet of buttons from Green Fairy Quilt, and this is by Lori Holt of Be In My Bonnet. I love her stuff. She designs really pretty fabrics also for Riley Blake and patterns, so I just love these little buttons, and these were kind of expensive. I think they were like $8 or $9, but I love the colors and I love the size too. So I got that, and they're called cute little buttons. All right, so that's it from Green Fairy Quilts. I got something from Amazon. These are ink blending brushes, and recently from KS Craft in my design team package I got dies for ink blending brushes, and I had never seen them shaped in this way before. I just, I just haven't seen them that way. But I thought they were so intriguing, and Amazon has this 6-pack of all these different colors of them. So they're supposed to be like ergonomic, and they're very soft bristles, really, really soft. Wow. Just as soft, maybe not, maybe even softer than the ones with the handles on them. So I'm thinking this will make a really nice, even impression when you're using like your distress inks and distress oxides. So I will try these out and let you know. And they each come with their own little holder, and they're just so cute. So, you can coordinate what color you use with what. So that's what I'm going to do. And I like that they're pastels, just really, really pretty. They'll look nice on display. So I'll link these down below if you are interested. They've been in my cart for a while, and I just needed some retail therapy that day, so that's what I got. And these just came in yesterday, which is Wednesday, and I ordered them the day before. Don't you love Amazon? Oh, just love them. All right, next, Michaels. I went to Michaels today, and thanks to you guys who have shown that the sequins are on clearance for $1, like these packs. Hi, Gus. Come on, come on. Come on up. Yeah, come on. Come on. These were not marked in my store. They're still in the regular sequin section, and they were, supposed to be regular price $1.99, but I took them over to the scanner and it said clearance for $1. So I got the silver, I got this pretty color, which is like a really nice blue that has some, holographicness to it. What color is it called? It doesn't say. Oh, now Gus is playing with my microphone cord. All right, and I also got this pack, which is really pretty white with some iridescence to it as well, or holographic. I don't know the difference. I still haven't figured that out. And then there was another one, this purple set. And I'm not, that into purple, but sometimes you need purple. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade of purple, I thought. Just really like grapey, but very shiny. It's got some blue flash to it. So yeah, all those were $1, which was great. And then when I was checking out, they had these Tombow alcohol markers at the register on clearance for $1 each. And they're normally $3.99. So I was just right there at the counter, so I just grabbed a few colors that I'd liked, and I didn't even get to test them out, but I could do that now. But these are the colors that I got. And let me get a piece of paper. Okay, here's kind of a scrap piece. Let's test these out. This one is called PN95. Gus, if you're going to make a fuss, you should come up here. So that's, oh good, that's a nice, light, cool gray. That's what I need. I have a lot of warm grays, but not many cool ones. And this one, okay, so this is the other side. This is like the chisel side. And that one is number PN69. So that's a nice like taupey color. I like that. And then this one is called P850. And that one is a very, very light pink, peachy pink. That's good. Good. I just needed some like lighter neutral colors. They had tons of them. So, but you couldn't really test them there, so I didn't know how they would be, but I figured I'd just grab these for $1 each. So check your Michaels if you are interested in these. I've never tried Tombow alcohol markers, but this is a good way to try them, I thought. And they do have, I think they have like their 6-packs, like the different color combinations on clearance as well, like in the regular art supply section. And also at Michaels, I got another one of those pretty threads. Hi, Gus. DMC Diamant Grande. And this one is, it's like a rose gold, 20 meters, 21.8 yards. I think last time I said it was 20 millimeters. It's 20 meters. And yeah, that's the color number if you're interested. It came in 2 widths again. This is the thicker one. I have the silver, the light silver, and I've really been enjoying that one. So I figured I'd get another color and use my 40% off coupon. Actually, I used my 20% off coupon on this. This was $3.99, 20% off, because I did get one thing that was more expensive. This was in those bins at the from the store by the cash register with all like the kids' crafts and stuff. So this is dimensional fabric paint, and this is a pastel collection, and it was $4.99. They had other color combinations as well, but I like this one, of course, and I thought I could use this like when I'm making like 3D like cookie projects to add icing, because I do like to use the white one for icing, and I usually use Nuvo drops for the the colored parts, but I figured I'd give these a try, and they're so pretty. So I used my 40% off coupon off of $4.99 for that. And yeah, let's see, I think that is it for my haul. I'll be back tomorrow for Saturday Morning Makes. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I'm so happy to be an ambassador for Diana Markham this year and for her collection at Adorn It. I love her stamps, and she's designing new stamps. She's been designing them for Etsy for every month. Oh, here's Gus. Hey, Gus, yay, you finally made an appearance. So, yeah, you can go say hi to everybody. He's purring on the camera. I don't know if you can hear him purring. I'm going to try and hold the tripod. But yeah, that's a good boy. Good, everyone could see you. So anyway, yes, Diana Markham has been releasing digital stamps every month in her Etsy shop. So I'm going to be designing with them every month. And also she has a stamp workshop with Adorn It next week. So I will put a link to that down below in my description box. And she has a chocolate chip cookie stamp as well as other things that coordinate with that available on the Adorn It website. And the stamp is only $5 and it's free shipping too. So I'll link that too. I'll link all those things down below. But I'm so excited to be part of this group. Other people who are going to be ambassadors are Jill, Marilyn G, Cynthia D. I'm just honored to be a part of this group of talented artists, and somehow they let me sneak into it. So I am so looking forward to designing for Diana and Adorn It for the rest of the year. So anyway, tomorrow for Saturday Morning Makes, I will have some projects with this month's stamps, and they are so cute, you guys. I can't wait to show you, and I'll show you all the products I use to make those as well. All right, so Gus and I are going to go upstairs, right, Gus? And maybe he wants to go out. He goes out in our backyard and get some fresh air, but this is his beautiful fur, and I won't make you look anywhere else by his tail. All right, thanks you guys for watching. Leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you think. And yeah, fur babies, you can't really help what they do sometimes. And he's a good little cat. So I will talk to you guys later. And thanks so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow. Bye, guys.